Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jack here. So I thought I'd bring you with a quick lat pull down tutorial. I feel a lot of people struggle to properly engage the lats with this movement. I know I struggled with it for a long time, so I think you're definitely going to get some value from this tutorial. So, what muscles does the lat pull down work? So the lat pull down works primarily the lats, but also the lower traps, the rear delts, the forearms, and the biceps. So lots of people perform it incorrectly with lots of bicep recruitment but minimal lat recruitment. So you're going to notice, if you train in this way, poor back development, and you're going to be very happy with your results. So what cues can you focus on for better lat recruitment? So you can focus on stretching your lats at the top of the movement and getting a full stretch on your lats and back muscles. Make sure to forcefully contract your lats and back muscles and get a full contraction of your back muscles on the concentric or down portion of the movement. Maintain a solid mind-muscle connection with your lats. So if that means lowering the weight to get a better mind-muscle connection with your lats and back muscles, definitely do it. Maintain an upright posture. You can use straps and make sure to pull with your elbows. So the good thing about straps is we can train our back to failure if needed, and our back muscles are going to fail before our biceps fail. So we can maximally stimulate our back muscles. You should also maintain the same form for the entire movement, and once you notice your back and lat muscles starting to tire and the emphasis shifts from your lats to your biceps, it's probably a good idea to stop the set there. So what should you not do? So you should not heave the weight and use body English. So all you're doing is not training your back correctly and you're going to get bad results. Don't pull with your biceps, so either the weight is too heavy and you can't contract your lat muscles sufficiently, or you're just going through the motions and you don't have a good mind-muscle connection. So there you have it guys, there are my tips for a better lat pull down. I hope you enjoyed, and please let me know if this helps you out. If so, why not follow my channel for more content, and I'll be looking forward to speaking with some of you guys soon. Thank you.